Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung TV. So first we're going to push on the home icon and it's going to lead us to this home screen. We're going to want to go to the bottom where there's going to be a settings icon. So I'm going down to the bottom and see that gear setting, the gear icon with the setting. Now we're going to push that and then we're going to see these different menus. So we're going to want to go down to support. And then I'm going to push the center button. And now we're going to see software update. So go ahead and push software update. And then it's going to ask you update now or auto update. We're going to go ahead and push update now. And now it says it's checking for updates. So in a second, we're going to see what version we have and if we need to update or not. Okay. So it says a new software version is available. Update from version 1356 to version 1360. So we were at 1356 and now we're gonna update to 1360. So I'm gonna go ahead and press yes. And now it is going to start updating. And it says it on the bottom right here, it says it takes 10 seconds, 9 seconds left. And the reason why we want to update is in case there's some glitches or some new fixes that Samsung has made to make your TV more compatible with different apps. So it's just restarting right now. You guys can see me. Okay. Now your TV is updated. Congratulations. And if that helped, please push that subscribe button. Appreciate it, guys.